Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to do our fall savings binder, fall Halloween slash savings binder. So we are going to start. I'm gonna get there. There we go. All right, so we're going to start with Fall Bingo. And this one is from Anna Banana Budgets. It is on her Ko-fi shop. She did one for Christmas in July, and that was super fun. So we're gonna go ahead and do the fall one. It's exciting. And then we're just gonna do these out until we get a bingo. And you can really just save however you want. Where's this one? I can't see it. There it is. Oh, and I did forget, we do have $50 to play in our fall binder. Okay. Hope everybody's having a fantastic weekend. I am filming this a little early, so I'm not even sure what we are doing yet. Oh my goodness. Now you can either save when you get a bingo, you can save the ones that gave you the bingo, or you can save everything that is on the board, depending on how you want to do it. Okay, perfect. We got a bingo. So we're going to save just the bingo for now. We're going to play this every week, at least once, maybe twice. We'll see. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go ahead and put $8. For now, we're just going to play it once. And then if we make it around again, then we'll play it again. But that's how we're going to do it for now. Okay. And then we'll put this off to the side. All right, and our next one is a fall this or that. So let's go ahead and see what this is going to be. A 2. And then that will be a 1. Okay. So we'll go do a couple of these. Pumpkin pie or apple pie? I'm a pumpkin pie. Cozy sweater or flannel shirt? Cozy sweater. Cinnamon or nutmeg? Cinnamon. That's 2, 4, 6. And then apple cider and hot chocolate. I'm a hot chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. Carving pumpkins or painting pumpkins? I would rather paint a pumpkin, because carving a pumpkin, it's not my. All right, that's what we'll have. 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. All right, we'll bring $8 in. And this one is from Budget with ADHD. It is on her Ko-fi. Okay, so this one I'm really excited about starting. I feel like this is probably going to take most of my money. But it is what it is. Let's go ahead and read the directions. Okay, so we're going to choose our house. We're going to roll a 4-sided die. Let me get the board out. So which one? Okay, so I guess here we'll go with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hopefully that's in frame. My thing died, so. All right, we're at 4. So this is going to be our house. Where's my... Okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll for each house because I want to save the most monies. Okay. All right. So we're going to choose a dice of your choice to get around the board. Land on a mini quest to follow the instructions. If you pull a game card, make sure to add that to all of your house points from the spot you land on, plus the ones on the card you pull, if any. And on any other spot, you save that amount of money listed. Don't want IOUs? Then we have the other. the catch-all there. All right, let's go ahead and put that off to the side. And this is a collab with Stephanie at Overthinking and Budgeting, April at What's Poppin' Sunshine, Vicky at Vicky Thinks, and Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I am starting this a little late because they have already been doing it, but it is what it is. So they have it broken up into weeks, but I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do each house 1 week so we can save the most, because that's my goal, is to save the most. All right, we'll just use this little guy here. We'll use our D6, so we have 1, 2, 3. That's $3. Oh my goodness, all of our ones are gone already. 1 is $1. And 1 is plus 2 house points. Okay. So let's make a note, I guess. I think they were only rolling 5 times. So we'll do that. So that's 3. And then we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $1. All right, and we will take those back and put in a 5. And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more roll is a 2. 1, 2. So $2. Oh, should I be doing that if I probably shouldn't be crossing them off if I'm gonna play. Well, that's fine. That's fine. We'll just play a different color next time. So we did get 2 house points. And we saved, oh wait a minute, hold on. $2. Gotta pay myself. Nicole. Okay. I could, I can just reprint that out. That's fine. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So we saved $7 and we have 2 house points. Perfect. I think that is going to be a good little fun game. So in there we have saved $7 so far. Go ahead and get all of that back in. I don't think we are not going to have enough money to make it around again, but that's okay. All right, we are done with this for now. And I think we're on to some scratchers. All right, so here we have 2 scratchers. I think I'm just going to do 1. This one is a 1 through 10, so we're going to put that in there. This one is from my shop. It is at 1 through 6. All right, that is a 1. And then a 5. So that is $6. We'll go ahead and put that in. I will finish that off camera. Okay, and here are some more. We have Stuff and Budget and another one from my shop we'll go with. Okay, and that is a 10. And we will stop there. This one is going to save us $55. And this one is a mystery. All right, and then our next one, we have, this one's $30. So we're going to do this one. It is Debt Free by 43. That was the freebie monthly, or their birthday freebie. All right, so let's just go here. And $2. And then let's do a roll and save. 3. So that's 5. Perfect. All right, we have $6 left. We'll see how far we can get here. All right, so I'm going to do, this one is again from my shop. I always print out a test of everything, so I will have literally everything that I've ever made. This one is for Budgeting with Me, and this one will save us $25. Okay, and we have $3. And I have not figured out where these are going to go yet. More than likely, we're just going to randomize them. All right, and that's $8. And we don't have $8, but I'm going to take $2 from somewhere else so we don't have an IOU. All right, so that is $8 out of 25. And we did not get through the whole binder, which is that is okay. So I got this little paper clip from Budgeting with Carly, my last order. So we'll put her there, and that is where we will start next time. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!